So in the last video, I have talked about how they might ask you to find your own mean and standard deviation in a question for confident interval and possibly hypothesis testing. So basically, they might give you a bunch of numbers, say 15, 16, 15.5, 14.5, etc. And they ask you to find the mean. The mean is basically, they call it, if they ask you to find the unbiased estimation of mean and standard deviation. So for the mean is basically you just find the mean. So just say x, this is the mean. So basically you just get all the numbers and divide it by the numbers of variables. So that's the basic idea of it. I don't know why they put unbiased estimation, but that's just the mean. The standard deviation is different. For this standard deviation, it goes by this formula. So 1 over n minus 1. This is time the sum of all of the square of all these variables. So say this, just take these three values. So this is 15 squared plus 16 squared plus 15.5 squared. Now here they minus the sum of all these, so sum of 15 plus 16 plus 15.5 squared, sum of all that divided by the numbers of variables. So that's the formula. And this is basically the formula. So this is 3 and here is 3. So the formula is like this, n minus 1 times sum of all x squared minus sum of all x squared divided by n. So this is the formula. And basically in question where they give you a bunch of data and ask you to find the unbiased estimation, so say unbiased estimation, you will use this formula for the standard deviation, and furthermore you will use this standard deviation for further use in testing the hypothesis or using in the confident interval. Remember the unbiased estimation.